This how to 1 minute will show you how to backup your WordPress website regularly. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to set up your website backup regularly. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new. And now click on this search box and type here Updraft Plus. And all you have to need, just install this plugin, Updraft Plus WordPress Backup and Migration plugin. And activate it. Once the plugin installed and activated, to this left hand menu, you will get the settings option. So hover over on it and click on Updraft Plus Backups. Once you are here, select Settings tab and File Backup Schedule. Here click on this drop down and select here every day or 2 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. So to backup your WordPress regularly, you can select daily or weekly backup. So I'm going to selecting here daily and retain these main scheduled backups. You can select any value from here and click on this database backup schedule drop down and select option. I'm selecting daily. And now here you have to choose your remote storage. So I want to backup my WordPress website with database in Google Drive. So I'm select to Google Drive. So I'm selecting here Google Drive. Then scroll down. Here Updraft Plus folder will automatically create on your Google Drive. Now click on sign in with Google. Select here your Google account. Click on allow. Click on complete setup. And here, as you can see, I've successfully authenticated my Google Drive account. Now scroll down and here select the backup and restore tab, and now you can click on backup now to backup your website. Now from here you can check and check include your database in the backup. You can enable this, include your files in the backup, enable and click on backup now, and it will start to backup your WordPress website. And here we can see every day my website will be automatically backup using this Updraft Plus plugin. So this Updraft Plus plugin will automatically backup every day. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.